Most people only dream of building a business. Here's how you can actually live it. If you are tired of the 9 to 5, craving real freedom while making shit tons of money, this video is for you. This video could be the turning point of your life. So let me share my story. Who am I really and why should you listen to me? For all of those who are new here, hi, I'm Palak. I am a business and mindset life coach and a brand builder, a marketer with 5+ years of experience. Today I'm gonna share you my story of where it all started and how it led me here. So back in 2020, we all know it was COVID, and I was in my second year of college, and I had just started a social media internship. That led me to learning more things in marketing, social media, and I started freelancing in October 2020. Okay. Within a couple of years, I scaled my freelancing business to multi 6 figures, built a team of 4, and then shut down that business. But with that growth also came burnout, overwhelm, and honestly, a sense of disconnection from myself. So I made a bold move. I stepped away from my own business and I started working full-time in jobs. What happened next completely shaped the way I see work, money, and freedom today. So let's rewind. I was in my second year of college, COVID. I was studying in Delhi University, and I came back to my hometown, Kanpur, and I was just doing a social media internship for free, which was unpaid for NGO. And that is where my journey began. I still remember I was happy that that internship just changed the direction of my life. And I had a lot of time in my hands. So I started looking for gigs. I started looking for projects. And that is how I started freelancing, even when the word was not so popular. And within a couple of years, I scaled that to multi 6 figures. I built a team of 4, and I was loving everything. Like by the end of third year of college, I was already making multiple lakhs per month, and it was just crazy. It felt like a dream, and I just couldn't believe it. But what happened after that is burnout, a lot of overwhelm, and honestly, a sense of disconnection from my own self. And I made the move to step away from my own business. I winded up that and took a break, was not very happy in life with no money, and I started working full time again. Going from at least multiple lakhs a month to starting from scratch again was something I wasn't ready for. My ego shattered, and I had to support my family. So I started working, and I loved actually working. Like, as I stepped into the corporate, I learned how structures work, how teams work, how does the founder or the management sets up the vision of the company, and it was a great learning curve. I worked in different industries, from edtech to B2B corporate training companies to D2C startups, and I switched jobs quite frequently, and the last job I had was paying me 85,000 rupees per month, and I quit that as well because I realized that I was ready to come back again and build my online business full time now. So that is what happened, and now I'm sitting here sharing my journey with you. Today, I combine everything that I learned so far from my journey of building a business, scaling it to multiple 6 figures, and working full time. It has been a thorough journey, and it has taught me so much about myself, about the world, about people. Now I am a full-time creator, a life coach, and a brand builder. So today I combine everything that I learned from all of that experience, and with content creation, branding, marketing, and healing very close to my heart, because I understood that business is something you can't really do if you don't get yourself, and your growth would be stagnant. You would feel disconnected, and something or the other would just not work out, okay? And I feel so joyous and so proud and so happy sharing it with you that today the kind of life I've created for myself is not just how I wanted it, but the kind of work I am able to do and I get to do with brands, with people, with women is something which changes lives, and it gives me deep fulfillment and the kind of impact that I want to create in this world. So I offered marketing and content creation services, consultations, and different ways of how you can work with me. And now my mission and my vision is to build lives and to work with women, to work with multi-passionate entrepreneurs and help them create a freedom aligned business that not just makes money, but that gives them deep fulfillment from within. My journey taught me that success isn't about money or titles, it's about alignment. And I have been through the highs and lows of scaling to six figures, building a team, and the lows of burnout, and even starting working full time from scratch again at 1/4 of that income. And today I bring together everything that I've learned, not just about marketing, branding, and content creation, combined with healing and finally being able to build a freedom aligned business that not only supports me financially but deeply fulfills me. If you want to create a freedom aligned business that deeply fulfills your soul, I will be so honored to support you. I'm offering a free clarity call. If you feel called to it, book that from the description below. And let's talk and help you build a freedom aligned business for yourself. Thank you so much for listening to me. And I'll see you in the next one.